Hey SM1 students, this is the review that I handed out to you, the blue packet, and I'm going to work through all of the problems. And so please do the packet first, otherwise this isn't really going to help you. This is just to show you the answers and to just check and make sure that you did things right. Okay, so the first one we've got, and you can use your calculator. And remember that on the test, you won't be able to use your phone as a calculator, okay? So, first one, negative 14 plus 9. I put that in my calculator. I really don't need to, but it's negative 5. Number 2, 27 minus a negative is the same thing as 27 plus 5. And 27 plus 5 is 32. Okay, negative 5 times 8, if we multiply anything by a negative, it becomes negative. This is negative 40. All right, these two you'll notice are very similar. And this is when we have to really think about our order of operations. So negative 5 squared is the same thing as saying negative 5 times negative 5. Okay, we look at what's in parentheses first. And so it's negative 5 times negative 5, and that gives me a positive 25. Now this one, there are no parentheses, so then I go to the exponent, and it is negative 25. Okay, the negative's there, but we have to do the exponent first. So 5 squared is 25, and then we put the negative on it. Okay, so this one, 6 minus 3 times 2. Remember, order of operations, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So this is going to be 6 minus 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer to that one is 0. Okay, so this next one, again, we've got order of operations. 14 minus 7 is 7. Times 2 plus 8, so 14 plus 8 gives me 22. All right. Now, when we have a fraction, you have to remember that what's in the numerator and what's in the denominator are both grouped. Okay, they kind of have this imaginary parentheses around it. Okay, so if I do parentheses first, I've got 14 minus 8, that's 6. Okay, and then down here, I have to do the multiplication first. So down here, I have 3 plus 8, which is 11. Okay, then here, parentheses first, 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, and these are being multiplied. 4 times 5 is 20. So when parentheses are right next to each other like this, it means that they're being multiplied. Okay, let me move this up. Oops. All right, so number 10. This one, don't let it scare you. I know it looks a little tricky, and I'll go through it line by line, okay? But let's look and see what we've got. So parentheses first. So inside my parentheses, I have 8 minus a negative 6. So that's going to be 8 plus 6. Which is 14 times 3. And now remember, I have to do multiplication before I do subtraction or addition. So this is 16 minus 15 plus 14 times 3 is 42. And now we go left to right. I mean, we still did left to right here too, but we go left to right. So 16 minus 15 is 1 plus 42 gives me 43. Okay, have our little imaginary parentheses. So the top one is 15 minus, okay, I've got to do the multiplication first, so 9 times 2 is 18. And then down here I have 13 minus 10. So this is going to give me 15 minus 18 is negative 3. 13 minus 10 is 3. So this gives me negative 1. Maybe I should box these. Okay. Number 12. Parentheses first on the top. I've got 3 times 3 squared over the absolute value of 2 plus 7. So that just means that you do whatever's inside and it's going to be positive. So this is the absolute value of 9. Okay? Well, 3 squared is 9, so this is 3 times 9 over positive 9. And this is, my 9's cancel. You can also say that this is 27 divided by 9, which gives me 3. Okay, let's see, we'll get through these. No, I better stop. Okay, we'll start with 13 in the next video.